Your environment is a direct representation of your emotions, right? And so think about your environment. Maybe your house and living situation, maybe your car and how disheveled it is. Maybe your workspace where you work, how everything's a mess and piled up. Maybe your bedroom, dark, dank, stinky, unclean, clothes everywhere, right? Your environment is a direct representation of your emotional state, because if you're emotionally fragile, if you're emotionally limping along in life, if you haven't dealt with the traumas, the adversities that you've experienced, if you haven't healed, if you haven't elevated to higher self, your environment, your friends, your workspace, your automobile, I just went to the 40s and 50s there, your automobile, your home, everything about you represents your emotional state. And it's disheveled, just like your mind and your emotions are. And when your emotions are fragile, you're having an emotional limp everywhere you go, you are easily triggered by things, you can't control your thoughts and feelings so much, your environment is disarray. There's no organization of thought in your head and in your emotions. Why would there be organization in your surroundings? Again, if you want to develop better emotional control, better emotional discipline, start by cleaning up your environment. Your environment is not just your bedroom, your home, your workspace, and your car.